it's Miss Hodgson. I've got another ukulele tutorial for you today for a really fun song, I bet you know it, The Worm at the Bottom of My Garden. And it needs 3 chords, C, F and G. Like so many of the others that are in my tutorials, do look out for those. Now, once you've got the chords ready, you can join in the song. If you don't have a ukulele at home, you can join in with the actions. It starts on C. There's a worm at the bottom of my garden, and his name is wiggly-woo. There's a worm at the bottom of my garden, and all that he can do is wiggle all night and wiggle all day, no matter what the people do say. There's a worm at the bottom of my garden, and his name is wiggly-woo. Let's sing it one more time. There's a worm at the bottom of my garden, and his name is wiggly-woo. There's a worm at the bottom of my garden, and all that he can do is wiggle all night and wiggle all day, no matter what the people do say. There's a worm at the bottom of my garden, and his name is wiggly-woo, and his name is wiggly-woo. Well done for joining in at home. I hope you had fun today. Do make sure you check out some of my other songs on the ukulele, and I look forward to seeing you again soon.